You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
Last time on SV Full Send, we try to find a way to fill our European gas tanks, explore Naval Air Station Jacksonville, and get our life raft serviced.
So Alan is away this weekend. He's in Tallahassee visiting his mom. He's got some doctor's appointments out there. So I'm here getting a few boat projects done. One of the things that's been broken since we bought the boat was this stereo down here. This head unit right here. It was just disconnected and we never really messed with it too much. And then we had some speakers over here. So we never knew if they really work. It said in the survey that they didn't know how to test it. So finally opened it up and started looking at it today. And I was able to get power to the head unit, but the LEDs aren't working. So I took it apart. Didn't look like any water corrosion or anything. The CDs would go in and out. It's not actually playing anything or displaying anything. So I said, screw it. I'm going to go to Walmart and got one of their cheapest head units. So I'm going to test it out and see if I can get it to work, because it'd be awesome to be able to have music down here without having to plug in mega booms all the time. Currently we only have music up at the top, and all the controls are up there. So let's get to work. Now you look back here. Pretty crazy. Don't know what half this stuff does. If I was a good electrician, I'd probably disconnect the batteries first, but I'm not. So I'm just going to rely on the circuit breaker, make sure the power's not on. And it's got that. I found the circuit that I should be messing with, so I think I know what I'm doing. But we'll see if I get a shot. Slowly becoming an electrician here. Turns out that I had the power saver, like the memory saver one, plugged in, and that was the only reason I was able to eject the CD and input it. I took out the voltmeter, started checking, not a lot of volts coming out of this other wire down here. So now I got it plugged into where the bilge is at, right there, that blue, and tried testing it out. And then I tried testing the old one out, and the old one was turning on too. I was like, oh crap. But the connections to the speakers weren't good. So I went ahead and put the new one in, and now it's coming in pretty good, if you can hear it. So I'm happy now that I did buy this new head unit, because the old one just wasn't pumping out the wattage or whatever it is to these speakers. So I'm going to try to wire this up now, and I need to find a new line to be able to attach to the battery. So. Yes, it's done. I got it. Woo! It's the little things. It's the little things. All right, so today is July 20th, 2019. The 50th anniversary of the landing on the moon by the United States of America. Astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin.
I'm going to step off the limb now. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So luckily we're in Florida, so it gives us the opportunity to go down and see Cape Kennedy on the day of celebration. So that's where I'm heading down right now. Alan's still in Tallahassee, and going to meet up with Leslie, and we're going to drive down and see what's going on down there. Should be exciting. Happy Moon Day. Yeah. Oh, man. Happy Moon Landing Day.
Yeah. I built a light system.
Oh shit.
On one side. So when you open the door, it looks all
crazy cool like. Oh, you got a winch on it too. NASA! Woo! You see the launch pads out there? Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Woo! Whoop. NASA! NASA! Way cool, man. I'm currently in line to go do the tour. Disney World, Kennedy Space Center, which is adult Disney World for all the STEM nerds. Yeah, we get to go see basically everything around, building our vehicle assembly building and all that, so I'm kind of excited. Thought the line was going to take about 2 hours, but it's moving pretty quick, so excited about that. Go to infinity. on. Oh, that AC feels good.
The exciting future of NASA.
And if you look just ahead of us, you can see the Mercury Redstone rocket she's talking about on the video. That's the type of rocket that would have taken Alan Shepard, the first American, into space.
All of these partners are reinvigorating the space community here at Kennedy Space Center in New York. Every day, we all benefit.
One of our crawlers. We actually have two crawlers.
Oh, wow.
And they're incredible pieces of equipment. They were built in the early 60s by the Marion Power Shop.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
We hadn't been more than 16 minutes into space, and now we were going to the moon. We would have to design a rocket.
Oh, this is the actual launch room. No way. Did they like grab the launch room? Did they probably moved it piece by piece.
If you must leave during the presentation.
20 seconds off next. We are still rolling at this time. The engines are on. 4, 3.
These are massive. Apollo 17. I know they're looking at using these tires again for like military vehicles. I can smell the moon dust. Still moon dust. Look at that. Yeah, because they were saying, I was watching, look, there's...
It was a moment shared by an entire world.
Apollo 14. At least pretty close to it. Amazing. Alright, so I just got out of the IMAX. Got to see the Apollo 11 movie. Full cinematic view, good sound. It's pretty awesome. If you haven't seen it, you definitely need to. If you like this video and want to see more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and help support us on Patreon.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.